welcome to
Jacqueline Show.
Airplane Edition.
Period. You just got so done.
We're about to land
In Manila.
in Manila. She's gonna go to the USA. She's gonna leave me. It's very sad.
Yeah, because all of us are in Alaska.
What? Okay.
We're in the
Bye-bye.
Philippines right now. Bye.